students, you have already studying about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions. Here you have already studied about various operations on rational numbers. In this chapter, we shall study about the properties of these operations on rational numbers. Now, what are the rational numbers? The definition of the rational number is rational numbers, the numbers of the form a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equals to 0 are called the rational numbers. For example, each of numbers 5 by 8, minus 3 by 14, 7 by minus 15 and minus 6 by minus 11 are rational numbers. Now, what are the positive rationals? A number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive or both negative. Thus, 5 by 7, here both numerator and denominator both are having the positive sign, and minus 2 by 3, here numerator and denominator both are having the negative signs, are known as the positive rationals. Now we have to discussing about the negative rationals. Negative rationals. A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are of opposite sign. That means any of the value of numerator or denominator is to be negative. Thus, in the first number minus 4 by 9, here minus 4 is the numerator which is negative. So, the overall value of this number is negative. And in the second number 5 by minus 12, here the denominator have the negative value. So, that's why these two numbers, that is both the numbers are the negative rationals. Now we have to discussing about the property of the rational numbers. Property of the rational number. The first property is there. If a by b is a rational number and m is a non-negative integer, then property first and which is 0 non-negative integer 0, then a by b can be written down in the form of a by b is equals to a into m upon b into m. Here we have to multiplying m both to the numerator and denominator. For example, we are taking is as, say, minus 3 by 4 is the number, and we are multiplying this rational number by the non-zero integer. Minus 3 by 4 is equals to minus 3 into 2 upon 4 into 2. Here we have to multiplying to both numerator and denominator by the same quantity 2 and 2. Similarly, minus 3 is to be multiplied by 3 and denominator 4 is to be multiplied by 3. Again, the next value we can written down minus 3 into 4 and 4 into 4 in the denominator and so on. So we are getting the values of these rational numbers are as minus 3 by 4 is equals to minus 6 by 8 equals to minus 9 by 12 equals to minus 12 by 16. Such rational numbers which are equivalent rational number. These numbers are to be called as equivalent rational numbers.